Hey guys, and welcome to the heater control valve episode. So you're asking yourself, why do I need to change this? Well, let me show you what's going on in my E36, guys. Okay, so the problem that I'm having is, yes, the car's all ripped apart right now because I'm doing other stuff. But the problem that I was having was, this has dual climate control. So the right side, everything would work fine. It would get hot and cold depending on where I set it. But the left side, no matter how I set my settings, is always stuck on hot, guys. So the thing that controls that is this right here, heater control valve, guys. They're pretty much all the same on these. There is a few different ones, but I'll show you where it's located and you can easily figure out which one you need. I'll put some links in the description to buy one of these. Okay, let me just show you where it's located and quickly how to change it. And that will fix your heater from just blowing hot all the time or being stuck on cold all the time, whatever it's doing. Usually when these break, they get stuck on hot. Okay guys, so there's the front of the car, and yes, like I'm doing other stuff here. I'm doing a transmission swap. I'm reupholstering the interior. You know, I had the starter out, the intake manifold's off. But in your case, the intake manifold does not have to come off to change this, but it helps you out for this video because you'll be able to see better where this thing is. Okay, so right over here is where it's located. See, and if you look in here, you can see which type you have. So we got that type, see? The one that I just showed you, right? Okay, so what you gotta do, guys, to change this, like normally you would have the intake manifold like covering it, and it is very tight, but you can get to it. It's not hard. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna just put a pan underneath, and I'm gonna remove these three clamps here. See, 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna pull these 3 hoses off. Okay, once I got those off, I'll show you how to pull this thing off. It's super duper easy, guys. And also you gotta remove this plug here, which controls it, right? Okay, I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so I disconnected one, as you can see. So, I mean, all you gotta do is you gotta kind of get in here with a screwdriver, right? Because you're not gonna have much room. Twist the screwdriver, and that will get these off. So I got one off. Some fluid came out, not super much. See, I got a pan under there. So just make sure once you change this and put the new one on, you top up your fluid. Okay, I'm gonna pull the rest off now. Okay, so I got all 3 hoses disconnected, as you can see. So now, see, here's the new one. See, so there's like a hook here. So you're basically gonna like pull it out like this, and then you can unhook it. Okay, let's do that. Okay, here it goes. So we're pulling it up. See? Popped out at the bottom, and then you just lift it up. Really nothing to it. It is tight if the intake manifold's on, but so there's your culprit. So these, they get stuck, they get old. The part that seals inside breaks. There's repair kits for these, but like I got a brand new one right here. It was like $50, so there really is no point to rebuild an old one, I don't think. Anyways, okay, so now reverse is the putting on of this thing. So let me quickly put this thing on. What you want to do is grab some Vaseline, and you want to put Vaseline on these things so they slide in nice. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there pushing it and it just won't slide in. So I'm going to put Vaseline on these and go put this on. Okay, my beautiful viewers, so there it is, brand new installed. Honestly, it was super duper easy, guys. So make sure in the description you check out, I got 2 links. One is to an automatic to manual swap. I got a whole bunch of episodes in a row. The whole process, very detailed. And the other playlist is a complete restoration of this 1998 BMW 328i, guys. Thanks for watching Problem Solver Garage, guys. Till next time, everybody. Subscribe, give me a like if this helped you out. Till next time.